I'm just gonna take my time loving me.
Hey gems, welcome back to my channel. So I just wanted to make this quick life lately channel update video to welcome my new subscribers because I finally made it to 1K and I'm so excited. Thank you for being here. My goal to make it to 1K was by the end of 2024, but I reached that goal last month in January. Not too bad. So grateful. And I just want to give a little update to introduce myself to my new subscribers, as well as thank my old subscribers for still being here, and just give y'all some insight on what to expect with my channel. Because if you have been following me from day one, you know that the type of content I share has been all over the place. But to be honest, that's just because I share what is reality for me in whatever given moment and season. So I'm not going to continue to share content that's not true for me. So this channel started off as a hair channel where I would do product reviews, I would do hair tutorials. Back then I did not have locks, I just had natural curly hair, but that's not my reality anymore. So I'm not going to continue doing that. Once I became a mom, the content on my channel shifted to more pregnancy, postpartum, baby care videos. And then I went through a traumatic experience with my children's father and surviving domestic violence and sexual assault. My channel, again, the content shifted from that to something else. So if you want to know what my channel is about right now and what it will continue to be about going forward, it's just about my life. Whatever I'm going through, whatever is on my heart to share, that is what my channel is about. And for me right now, I'm in a space of healing. I'm in a space of pretty much recreating my life, starting over. When I left my relationship with my children's father, it was literally a clean slate, start over from scratch. I left and I had no money, nothing to my name except for the clothes in my suitcase, okay? Like, I sold my house, my car, I gave up everything, okay? So I was literally starting over from scratch. So pretty much I am just showing you guys what it looks like to be intentional about healing through your trauma. Healing is uncomfortable, it's painful, it is ugly at times, a lot of times. And sometimes we don't think about it in that way. We just, it's cute to say I'm on a healing journey, but we don't really show what that entails. So I want to shed more light on what it entails to be intentional about your healing. I want to show that although healing is hard, the journey is continuous and there's so much beauty in the journey. I also want to show that life is beautiful on the other side of the trauma. Once you do the work to do that healing and to face your hurt and your scars and your demons, life can be so much beautiful, life can be so beautiful on the other side of that. So that is what this channel is about. And then on top of that, of course, I'm gonna share, you know, motherhood stuff and womb wellness stuff and health stuff, because those are all things that I'm passionate about, and that is part of my life, is part of my reality. So why wouldn't I share those things as well? As of late, I've been sharing a lot of like travel vlogs because I've been traveling, and that is just a part of my healing process. Although I'm so grateful for life, for shelter, for my family, for my support system and all of the things, my life is still not the way that I thought it would be or even want it to be right now. So I still battle with a lot of things as it pertains to what I thought my life would be right now. However, I've come so far and I've come to a point of acceptance as well. So as I continue to journey through letting go of all of what I thought my life should be and embrace what my life is, I will be sharing the process of how my life transitioned and how it transforms. So dating again, you know, moving, traveling, the ups and downs of being a single mother, a business owner, and still having a job. There's so many different things that I do that it's hard for me to ever say that my channel would be about this specific thing, because I can't share what I'm not passionate about. I can't share what is not part of my reality. So what you see is what you get. So for my new subscribers, a little bit about me. My name is actually Jahhila, but I go by Goddess Jahh. My channel name actually used to be Jahh Empress. I should actually record a video as to why I changed my channel name. I never thought about that, but it's a personal reason. Like it's a good reason. That's all I'm gonna say. I'm not gonna get into that in this video, but I go by Goddess Jahh. Goddess Jahh across all of my social media platforms now. I am a 31-year-old single mother of 3 boys, a 2-year-old, a 4-year-old, a 6-year-old. I'm a business owner of a company called 𝐬𝐮𝐬𝐫𝐞, where I make and sell natural skin, hair, feminine, and womb wellness products, as well as herbal tea mixes for different issues such as fibroids, PCOS, endometriosis, anxiety, high blood pressure, all of that stuff. So what am I passionate about? I'm passionate about holistic womb wellness and living an overall natural and holistic lifestyle. Those are things that I'll be sharing here and there as well. Anything, you know, it will be a day in my life video. It could be a what I eat in a day video. It could be a travel vlog. I'll be moving soon, so I'll be sharing that as well. I'll be bringing y'all more into what my life is. And so yeah, lately I've been sharing a lot of travel vlogs because I did a lot of traveling last year, which was all part of my healing journey. One of the things that I did last year for myself, for my healing and just for my growth, was I signed up to take a trip to Bali and Thailand. And during that trip, I was able to be a version of myself I didn't know exists. I fell in love with a version of myself that I want to be all the time. And I felt a level of peace and freedom that I never felt in my life during that trip. So that trip was huge for me. I did share a part of my journey through Bali and Thailand on my channel. So I was sharing a good bit of travel vlogs last year. I also shared, even if it's like domestic travel vlogs, I share, anytime I travel, I kind of share something that has to do with traveling. And that's because I love to travel. And I wish I could travel more often, but like I said, I'm a single mother of 3 boys, so that's not always the case. But I plan to continue traveling. It's just that this is not a travel vlog channel. So I'm just gonna let y'all know that right now. So you're not always going to see travel vlogs. So if you subscribed because of my travel vlogs, I'm gonna be honest with you, that is not my reality all the time. But when it is, I will share it. Any of my day in my life videos is gonna be a little crazy and chaotic because my days are never always the same. I'm always doing something else. Like I said, I'm a business owner. I also work and I have 3 boys. I am always on go. So logging my day is always hard because I'm always doing so many different things. Just remembering to pull out a camera all the time is just too much for me sometimes. But when I am in that headspace, I will share that as well. I also will be sharing more about intentional healing. And what I mean by intentional healing is that when you go through a traumatic experience, everybody, we all have triggers, we all have trauma, we all have an inner child that needs healing. But when I talk about intentional healing, I'm talking about allowing ourselves to feel the pain and the hurt from that trauma, acknowledge it, and then do the work to grow through it so that we can get on the other side of the negative symptoms that trauma cause our body and mind and our spirit. So I am very intentional about my healing because my story was extremely traumatic, and I knew that if I was not intentional about my healing, that I wouldn't be sitting here today. Most people don't survive what I've been through, and I'm not saying that to sound any type of way. I don't want anybody to take that the wrong way, but it's true. And I'm grateful that I made it through that. But I also knew that if I was not intentional about facing all of that and healing through it, I would not be the person I am right now. I would not be a happy person. I would not be someone that anyone wanted to be around or talk to or anything. I would be very angry and bitter, and that trauma would literally just eat me alive. So I'm very intentional about my healing, and I want to share more with others about intentional healing, what that looks like, and how to do it pretty much. So yeah, motherhood, business, healing, and womb wellness, and adventure. I love adventure. Another thing that my trip to Bali pretty much showed me is that I have a need for adventure that I didn't know exists. It fills me up. Like, it's good for my soul. Adventure is good for my soul. So I travel because I like adventure, pretty much. And although my adventure is not always going to be me traveling, it could be something local right here on the island, whether it's a hike or just doing something new that I've never done before. I just love adventure. And I learned last year that adventure is actually part of my healing process. So I'm always in my mind planning just something, a trip, a solo trip, a family trip, just to go somewhere to do something I've never done before. All now, I'm thinking about what my next adventure is going to be. I've been thinking about it since I came back from my last trip last month. So stay tuned for more travel vlogs. But like I said, this is not a travel vlog channel. I'm just sharing my travel vlogs when I do travel, whenever that is. Yeah, that's about it. Also, okay, so on the other side of YouTube, I also have a Patreon. And on my Patreon, I share the videos that I will never, okay, let me not say never, but I share the videos that I don't share on YouTube. The more detailed, raw, vulnerable videos. So for example, the full detailed story about my domestic violence and sexual assault story is on my Patreon. It's 5 parts and each video is probably about 45 minutes to an hour and a half long. And literally everything, I say everything. Things that I would never say publicly. If you watch it, you would know why I wouldn't say it publicly. But I'm very open and honest about being a survivor of domestic violence and sexual assault. It's not a secret at all. But my story is very sensitive. Let me put it that way. It's very sensitive and it involves other people that I'm not able to just talk freely on a public platform about, if that makes sense. So my full story is on my Patreon as well as other videos. I started dating again recently, so my journey with dating and the highs and lows with that. And it's kind of like my digital diary. So I share thoughts and feelings that I probably would just never put on YouTube. So yeah, if you want to support me in another way, click the link below in the description box to join my Patreon. You can cancel at any time. If you want to just join and watch the videos of my story and then cancel, that's up to you. Like, but it's in that, I put it in that, on that platform because I need that to stay somewhere that's more secure. Wow, the sun just went away. So anyways, yeah, I think that's about it for this channel. I feel like I'm just all over the place with what I'm talking about, but again, I just want to thank you for being here. I'm grateful that I finally made it to 1,000 subscribers. I will be doing a giveaway to celebrate because like I said, I am a business owner. If you want to join my giveaway so that you can win a free product, stay tuned for that video. That's not going to be this video. If you came across this video but haven't subscribed yet, be sure to support your girl and subscribe. It costs you nothing, but it means everything to me, and I thank you for doing so if you choose to. However, you can also join my email list for my website and gain 10% off your first order. Anyone who joins my Patreon gets 20% off of their online or gets 20% off their online orders on my website. As long as you are a Patreon member, you get 20% off of your orders online at 𝐬𝐮𝐬𝐫𝐿𝐼stic.com. Again, I am all over the place with this video. So anyways, that is it for this video. Stay tuned for more content from me. Be sure to like, comment, subscribe, follow me on my other social media platforms, sign up for my website newsletter. I literally do not be pushing myself the way I should, promoting myself the way I should, and my goal is to start doing that this year. So I'm trying to step out of my comfort zone and put myself out there more. And some people might feel like, what are you talking about? You have a whole YouTube channel, you put yourself out there. But I don't talk about my business the way I should. I don't promote my products the way I should. I don't promote myself the way I should because I'm amazing, okay? Like, I am, and I be forgetting that. Like, locally, when people come up to me and be like, "You're Gems," people like that knows my business, they would just call me Gems. That's fine, you can. and I be forgetting like who I am. And I'm not saying that in a cocky way. I'm just saying like I really do be forgetting who I am, and I really want to be more confident in what I do and in my purpose, so that I can share more of that as well. So there's a lot that I battle because of my traumatic experience, and that's part of it. That's part of my battle. Putting myself out there and being confident in what I do. I know that I'm good at what I do, but there's always this thought in my head of like, you know, what if I'm not? You know, like it's this battle of those inner thoughts. So again, like I said, I'll be sharing all of that: intentional healing, motherhood, adventure, travel, everything. So stay tuned for more content, and thank you for watching. To all of my melanated women, protect your womb by any means necessary. To everybody watching, protect your peace by any means necessary. I wish you all love, light, and prosperity, and you'll see me in my next video. Peace.
I'm gonna take my time.